Cremated remains ng TGIS star na si Red Sternberg, uuwi sa Pilipinas. Matatandaang pumanaw ang dating aktor na si Roderick Red Sternberg noong May 27, 2025 dahil sa atake sa puso. At kamakailan ay binuksan ang isang fundraiser sa crowdfunding platform na GoFundMe para sa naulilang pamilya ng dating aktor. Layunin ng fundraiser na makalikom ng $20,000 bilang tulong pinansyal sa asawa ni Red Sternberg na si Sandy Sternberg at sa 3 anak nila. Ang kaibigan ni Red na si Ed Berry ang nag-initiate ng fundraiser para sa mga naulila ng dating aktor. Sinabi ni Ed sa kanyang pahayag na isinugod si Sandy dahil sa medical emergency 2 araw matapos pumanaw si Red. Bagamat nakalabas na si Sandy sa ospital, sinabi ni Ed na mayroon pa rin umano itong pinagdadaan ng medical issue habang sinusubukang makabangon mula sa pagkawala ng dating aktor. Dagdag pa niya, naghahanda na rin daw si Sandy at ang mga anak niya na lumipat ng tirahan. Sinabi rin ni Ed sa kanyang pahayag na nakatakdang iuwi ang cremated remains ni Red sa Pilipinas. Ayon pa sa kanya, isang memorial service din daw ang idarao sa August 2, 2025. Narito ang kabuuang pahayag ni Ed Berry tungkol sa fundraiser niya para sa mga naulila ni Red. As many are aware, Roderick Red Sternberg suddenly passed away on Tuesday, May 27th. Red's passing came at a time that should have been a celebration week as it was a time for several birthdays in the family. What many of you do not know is that 2 days after Red's passing, Sandy ended up in the hospital with a medical emergency. While Sandy has been released from the hospital, she is still dealing with a medical issue all while trying to regroup as a family. The kids are safely with family in South Florida, and Sandy is packing up the apartment and preparing for a move. Just a few days ago, we picked up Red's ashes from the funeral home, and he is respectfully prepared for his journey back to his home country of the Philippines for the memorial service on August 2, 2025. Your contribution during this time is and will be greatly appreciated. From the cremation services to flights and medical bills and even moving bills that have now come as a result of this tragic event, your help is needed now more than ever. All funds will assist this amazing family during this time of need. Once Sandy is healthy, she plans on being back with her amazing The Beachy Asian, Street Fusion, and Pop-Up, but until she is able to work, our help will go a long way. Sandy and the family are grateful. Sa ngayon ay mahigit $6,000 na ang nalikom na donasyon para sa naulilang pamilya ng dating aktor. Mababasa rin sa fundraiser page para kay Red Sternberg ang mensahe ng kanyang asawang si Sandy Sternberg. Kinumpirma ni Sandy na kinuha na nila ang cremated remains ng kanyang asawa mula sa funeral home at iuuwi ang mga labi nito sa Pilipinas. Anya, with the support of a dear friend, we picked up Red's ashes from the funeral home. He is now gently and respectfully prepared for his flight home to the Philippines, where his memorial service will be held on August 2. This is hard. Every step is heavy, but made lighter by you. Your prayers, love, support, are allowing us to keep going. We feel deeply. Thank you.